Hello naturals, welcome to my channel. In today's video we are going to be making a super potent rosemary serum for extreme hair growth. Please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and share with your friends and family if you enjoyed watching. Here is my rosemary stalk and I'm breaking them up in pieces to fit in my bowl. Next, I added a quarter cup of olive oil. Olive oil has super moisturizing benefits and it strengthens by penetrating the hair shaft. Next ingredient, I'll be adding a quarter cup of cold pressed extra virgin coconut oil. I already shared where I got this coconut oil from in my previous video, but I will try to leave the link in the description box for you all to go purchase. My next ingredient is castor oil and I'll be adding a tablespoon of that into the mix. All these oils have moisturizing, thickening, strengthening and growth properties in them, which is why I chose them. I stirred to combine all the ingredients. In a boiling water, I placed my bowl in the boiling water using a DIY double boiling method. For stirring, use a stirring rod or a wooden spatula and not plastic. This boiling method should take 30 minutes maximum because the potency of this herb is released after 30 minutes. After 30 minutes mark, turn off the heat and allow to cool down before sieving. After sieving, I transfer that into my applicator bottle with the help of a funnel. You can store this oil also in a jar or your applicator bottle, whichever you have. You have to make sure this oil doesn't come in contact with moisture as this will alter the shelf life. Also, make sure that the bottle or jar that you're using for the storage is sterilized. For the sterilization of the equipment, let me know if you would love to see a video on that. And for the application, this oil can be used for so many things, from pre-poo, scalp massage, hot oil treatments. You can as well mix it in your deep conditioners, shampoos and all that good stuff. You can store this oil in a cool, dry place for up to 6 months. Provided this oil doesn't come in contact with moisture, it can last up to a year. I love to use this oil to massage my scalp and I equally love to apply it on my hair strands for strength, thickness and growth. Say goodbye to dryness and breakage with rosemary oil. While there are so many great products on the market that can help you get thicker, healthier hair, some come with a high price tag and a risk of skin irritation, but there is more natural and affordable option that can do the trick. Yes, rosemary oil can do the trick. Please comment down below if you have ever used rosemary oil and if it worked for you. This oil can change your hair game. If you want to improve both hair thickness and hair growth, rosemary oil is a great choice, thanks to its ability to improve cell regeneration. Rosemary strengthens hair follicles to produce fortified hair strands, fights dandruff, reduces inflammation on the scalp, helps soothe conditions like scalp eczema and scalp psoriasis. Rosemary nourishes the hair follicles with hair growth nutrients, promotes thicker hair growth. Rosemary makes your hair volumized and shiny. That brings me to the end of today's video. Thank you so much for watching up to this point. Please remember to subscribe, thumbs up this video and share with your friends and family. Please stay safe out there and I will see you in my next video by God's grace. Bye.